You're doing so much but going nowhere. You scroll, compare, overthink. And deep down, you know you don't need more motivation videos. You need to disappear, not forever, just long enough to rebuild without noise, pressure, or outside opinions. Here's how to disappear for 90 days and come back a completely different person, calmer, stronger, unrecognizable. And if you mess up any part of this, especially the last, you're going to regret. Too many people, too much noise, too little focus, your brain's on blast 24/7. So here's your first move. Disconnect. Mute 90% of your apps. Stop sharing your goals. Stop updating people who don't really care. Tell no one you're working on yourself. Just start doing it. You don't need to announce a break. Just go quiet. Let them wonder. Next, clear your physical space, your room, your desk, your phone. Clutter kills clarity. And finally, track your time. Write down how you spend every hour for 1 week. You'll see exactly where your focus is leaking. This first month isn't about grinding, it's about deleting everything that doesn't help you grow. Ask this question, what do I even want? You've gone quiet, now you listen to yourself. Here's the rule, is pick one thing to focus on. Just one, a skill, a habit, a goal. Doesn't matter what, just make it yours. Then rebuild your days around it. Wake at the same time every day, no alarms if you can, just rhythm. Move daily, walk, stretch, gym, doesn't matter. Movement clears your head. Block 60 to 90 minutes for your focus goal. No distractions, no multitasking. This isn't a productivity challenge, it's self-respect. You're showing yourself what's possible when you stop performing and start committing. Don't post your progress. Don't seek feedback. Let this part be just for you. You'll look in the mirror and see someone who chose growth. Not for likes, not for clout, just because it was time. You'll notice you're calmer, you think clearer, you don't need validation. So now you ask, do I want to come back or stay building in silence? There's no pressure to reappear, but if you do, show up with your results. Not your ideas, not your plans. Apply for that thing, launch that idea, speak up with confidence, but don't explain where you've been. Let them feel the difference. Most people stay stuck because they're scared to pause, scared to disappear, scared of silence. But silence is where the real work happens. And if you can handle 90 days of discipline in the dark, you'll shine in ways you never imagined. Disappear, rebuild, return if you feel like it. Your next version is waiting.